Hello, Mega Linker and OLSP member. Now, this is the video you need to pay attention to, okay? It's a little bit longer than the other videos, but this is the one you need to write notes, you need to pay attention. This is where the magic starts happening, okay? So we're going to give you, inside this very video, the best possible way to get started right now. Remember, this is the beginning of your journey. It is friggin' awesome. We give you the easiest way to get started ever, okay? And I mean ever, okay? And you start to get access to the entire OLSP system. It really is exciting, okay? And remember, we're with you every step of the way, from where you are now all the way to whatever your goals may be, to become a full-time affiliate marketer, to make those high-ticket commissions, whatever it is, we're with you every step of the way. Now, before I get stuck into this training, let me ask you a question. Can you share a link? Okay, that's it. Simple question, okay? If you answered yes, and it should be everyone, because everyone can copy and paste, then you can do what I'm about to show you. Okay, remember, okay, as I go through this, this is how easy it is with what we've put together for you, okay? But first, before we do that, before I show you how to grab the mega link, I'm going to explain how affiliate marketing and internet marketing usually work, and how I personally have made millions of dollars with what I'm about to share. So it's time to listen in, okay, and take notes. Then what I'm going to show you is how to get access to everything I've done via the mega link, and how you can copy the exact thing that works for me faster than you can say, wow, Wayne, that's awesome. So I'm sharing my screen, okay, and you should be able to see a little box. If you can't see this clear, you can play about with your settings in the settings tab to make it more clear. So you should be able to see the word one I've just written on the screen. You should be able to see my typing nice and clear, okay, before we start this. Now, what I want to do is show you how normal affiliate marketing works, okay? Now, normally you get people, which we call traffic, okay, and we'll go into this in the next video. You normally get people to view your affiliate offers. So let's say you go to Amazon, you learn to be an affiliate for them, okay? So here's an offer. It could be a cooker, it could be everything. Okay, so you say to this person, hey, check out this frying pan. Okay, so they go and check out via your link. Okay, so in the middle here, you give them a link, okay, that goes to the frying pan. Fantastic. This is how affiliate marketing works. All the big companies do it. It is a fantastic way of making money. Okay, so when the person you shared your link with, okay, goes to the offer on Amazon and spends $20, okay, normally you would make about $1. Okay, this is the way affiliate marketing usually kind of works. You can earn $1 to $3, depends on the commission and the product, okay. This is exactly how it works, okay, exactly how affiliate marketing works. This is how Amazon actually grew so quickly, because they had tons of affiliates promoting all their products all over the internet, okay. They were getting people via links to Amazon offers, and the affiliate that brought the person to the offer earned $1 to $3. Now, there's lots of pitfalls of doing it like this, okay, lots of pitfalls doing it like this, which I found pretty early on. For starters, you only earn $1 to $3, okay. When you send the person to the offer, okay, they buy that thing, that's it. That's all you're ever going to make from that person, that $1 to $3. If this person buys more things from Amazon, okay, you don't earn any more commissions from that person, okay. Pretty much every affiliate offer out there only pays on the first sale, okay. Very, very important to understand. If they don't need to keep paying you, they won't, okay. You brought the person to them, then they've got an Amazon account, for example. Amazon being fantastic at what it does, people keep buying, but that Amazon doesn't want to keep paying you, even though they lowballed you in the first place, paying you next to nothing, okay. And this is how normal affiliate marketing works. So what you should basically learn, what I learned in the beginning pretty much straight away, is to keep selling things to people, you need to build what we call an email list, okay, an email list. You'd heard this before, but I'll show you how it works. Okay, so this is how it works when you build an email list. This shows you the power of building an email list, okay? So you bring people to what we call a squeeze page, okay? And a squeeze page squeezes the email out of people. It puts it into, okay, an email list. It goes between your link and the offer. Okay, so you drop people a link, it goes to a squeeze page, people enter the email address, they go onto your email list, okay? We often call this an autoresponder, and then they go to see the offer. All right, so they see the offer like usual. Now, rather than just making the sale once, okay, what we can do is we can send emails to people on your email list, okay, and then you can keep sending them offers all the time, forever. Okay, you can just keep sending them forever. So it's like having your own traffic source. Okay, so you keep sending emails, and you increase the possibility of making more commissions, more and more and more commissions. Okay, now then what I found is when you have an email list, it does something called nurture your leads. Okay, so when you got them on an email list, you can write emails specifically to get them to buy the next thing, to keep buying the next thing. But you can write to them in such a way and nurture them so you build know, like, and trust. Okay, so what I found helped with that was building a big Facebook group. Okay, build a Facebook group. Okay, build a Facebook group because it helps build know, like, and trust much quicker. It helps build your leads on top of an email list. And guess what? You make Facebook posts or you do certain things to get people to more offers. Okay, so you build an email list and you have a Facebook group to keep building those commissions, to keep those commissions coming in day after day. This is what I found. This is why I have a Facebook group of 140,000 people that I can make offers to, and I can keep nurturing them, building that know, like, and trust. Now, the next thing I found was I wasn't happy making $1 to $3 a time. Okay, I just wasn't happy making $1 to $3 each and every time. It's far better to make more money. Okay, so I kept looking around. I kept finding affiliate programs that offered more money. I found them. I kept searching for products that helped people, that gave loads of value, that really helped them achieve whatever they were wanting to achieve. And I found that e-courses or digital products were the best because they have higher margins. Okay, so we sold something here on Amazon. Okay, or the customer bought something that cost $20. Okay, and we got $1 to $3. It's pretty pants. Okay, it's because the margins in the actual product aren't much. We sell something for 20. The company makes 19. We make 1. Not fantastic. The beautiful thing about digital products is more often than not you make bigger margins. Okay, so for each $20 product, you have the possibility of making 1 to 50%. Okay, so $1 to $10 for digital products. So straight away, you're making more and more and more money and more commissions. And then what I kind of found is as people went through a journey and the journey I wanted to go on, I had to then think, right, how do I make more than $20? Okay, so I thought, how do I get people to purchase a $99 product? Okay. Because when you sell a $99 product, you actually make far more money. You can make between, let's say, $10 to $50. Okay. Again, $50 is far better than $1. So I learned the way to get people to buy $99. Okay, because I made more commissions. So it meant more and more nurturing. Okay, it meant more nurturing along. For a longer period of time. It meant sending more emails, saying, hey, I'm here to help, and writing emails in an effective way that force people to purchase things. And then what I found is I thought to myself, what is the best thing? The best thing is to sell $20 products, sell $7 products, sell $99 products. But then the best thing is to sell things that sell for $99 a month. So you make that one sale. Okay, you make that one sale and they pay you every single month. You do the work once, you get the person to purchase it, and they buy things, okay, or they are stand members for months and sometimes years. So that $199 sale can be worth thousands upon thousands of dollars. Now, there aren't many products out there that sell for this kind of range. So what I decided to do was build our own products, okay? Our own products. And obviously this takes a lot of work to build your own products, but we found for us to achieve what we wanted to achieve, this is what you need to do. Okay, now with products there comes lots and lots of headaches for what we went through. Okay, lots of headaches like support, like training, putting the product together. Remember, this is an e-product, so it's normally kind of coaching, training, that kind of thing. You have to put together the training. You have to put together the website. You have to have tech skills. It can often cost tens of thousands of dollars to do this. Okay, the whole thing is a big, long process. But to make $99 a month, this is what you kind of need to do. Okay, you need to start creating your own products or finding affiliate offers that sell for $99 a month. Okay, and then what we thought is, wouldn't it be great if we could do less work and make more money? Okay, and that's what we did. Okay, so we introduced what we call high ticket offers. Okay, we started being an affiliate for high ticket offers. So when we sold a product, it could be for something like $10,000. It sounds like a lot of money. It is quite a bit of money, but when you've got something really valuable and people can see the value in it, people do buy. Okay, people do buy this, and that meant we could earn anywhere from $1,000 to $4,000, okay, from one single sale, from one thing. Okay, so we started being an affiliate for other people's products, and it was fantastic. Okay, it was absolutely fantastic. But what we actually found was some were great, most were not very good. Most didn't support the customers, most didn't give them the great training. So we actually made our own products, okay, as well. Okay, so we promote other people's products as an affiliate, and we promote our own products. Okay, and this is, in quick terms, in basic terms, the entire journey I've been through in the last 15 years. Okay, now it's important that the email marketing lasts forever. Okay, you keep email marketing, so this pattern goes on forever. You keep emailing, you keep selling, you keep making new products, you keep improving your training, you do all of this stuff, you keep finding new affiliate offers. Okay, and it is awesome, guys. It's absolutely game changer. I actually have now 32 staff working for me in this business. Okay, and putting all the things together, copywriters sending the emails. It's absolutely crazy when you think about where I started all those years ago. Okay, I have website builders, I have funnel builders, I have salespeople, I have everything you can imagine. Okay, now I don't actually expect, okay, you guys to do all of this, obviously. Okay, it is insane what you have to do. It's a monumental amount of work. Okay, but this is the process that has made me personally millions of dollars, sending traffic into what we call, or what I call, an ecosystem. Okay, it works, it does all the nurturing, it does everything for you. So what I'm going to give you and what the mega link actually does, guys, okay, I'll show you. Move this over here. Okay, the mega link, remember, people we call traffic. Okay, people will call traffic. The mega link is this link here. Okay, is this link. Okay, and that gives you access to absolutely everything on this side. Okay, absolutely everything you can dream of. There is nothing hard or technical to do. Anyone can do this. All you have to do is go out, grab your mega link and share it. Okay, that's all you have to do. We're going to build all the squeeze pages. We're going to build all the products for you. We're going to promote other affiliate offers for you. We're going to do things like putting on live trainings. Okay, live trainings is something that nurture people really well. We're going to put on webinars. We're going to write all the emails and send all the emails for you. We're going to support everything. We're going to put on all the training. We're going to build the websites. We're going to do absolutely everything for you, making it easy to copy the exact thing that has made me personally millions of dollars. Okay, and this lasts forever, guys. Okay, this lasts forever. If someone joins today, okay, and doesn't purchase for 3 months, you're still going to get commission in 3 months. If they purchase 100 things, we're going to give you 100 individual commissions. Okay, and just by sharing the magic link, we have an awesome technology that tracks everything back, so we know you brought that person to us. Right, it's been years in development. It's cost me $250,000 just to build the newest version of this. It's insane what this does, and all you have to do is copy and paste the mega link. We're going to do everything for you forever. Okay, and this is where your journey starts, and there's more you can do. There's more trainings you can do. There's more things you can learn. There's more stuff you can do to increase your commissions, to make more commissions. But I'm literally giving you right now the keys to my ecosystem. Okay, and that system is obviously OLSP, where we promote our own products and other people's products, and you get an affiliate commission every single time someone purchases. Okay, and remember, we do all the support. We follow up with your leads forever. We send the emails on your behalf. We build the squeeze pages on your behalf. We grow the Facebook group and we manage it on your behalf. We do the live training on your behalf. We put the leads in the Facebook group. We give value to the leads. We do everything just from sharing this one single mega link. Okay, and now I hope you're excited from this, because I'm going to show you. If you're excited, then you're now going to get shown how to grab this mega link. Okay, and then in the next video, we're going to show how to get people and what we call traffic to your mega link. Okay, we've done all the hard part. This is a pretty much 100% set up for you business. You just have to get people to it. Okay, that is your job. Okay, so I'm going to show you right now how to go in and grab that awesome mega link where everything else behind it is done. Okay, so now we're inside the OLSP system. It may look slightly different to this when you come into it, but all you need to do, up the top right here where it says your OLSP system mega ID is 73, your promotional link or your mega link is here. This is your mega link, guys. Okay, it will look different to this because obviously it's going to have your settings on it. Okay, it's going to be all tracked to you, and all you need to do is click copy and start getting it out to people. How easy is that? Okay, just from clicking copy and handing it out to people. We do absolutely everything else for you. Everything else this side of the line. Okay, everything we do forever on your behalf. Okay, it is the easiest way to possibly get started online. You don't need any tech skills. You don't need time to build this. Heck, you don't even need to invest all the money we have. It is now all set up. In fact, when you joined just earlier, this was all automatically set up for you. So you can promote your mega link. You can get it to people and traffic. We'll show you how to start with this in the next videos. That's it. That's all you have to do, guys. We're going to show you how to do that in the next video. Guard your mega link, guys. Note it down. Keep it safe. You're going to need it lots, okay, to get people inside this awesome ecosystem we've built for you. Okay, so see you in the next video. I'm going to show you how exciting part, how to start getting people, i.e. traffic, to your mega link. See you in the next video.